just did a video showing you guys the 930. So if you want to come back and take a look at that, you're more than welcome. This is important too. I'm gonna show you that real quick as well. And that's the pro ladder. I can't put everything in a video, so I've been trying to make just several of them, so that way you can kind of get a look at all the information. And of course, there's the top. And told me they're starting that decline. Again, that's the video that I just did. And yeah, there's the zones. If you want some zones, we got that as well. We're gonna take a look at that. We're gonna take a look at that. But here, yeah. So yeah, that's important. All right, let me just click on it real quick so you can kind of see it. I was up a little bit, and so I put that out there early this morning, really early. All right, so I told you sellers are up there. And again, that thumbnail, you got thumbnail from the video, and then of course I did say that, hey, this might be the bottom. Let me make sure I show you that. Here's that bottom right there. Okay, so there's that bottom. I took and tried to record that. All right, if you don't know how to trade, come here. I'll teach you how to do it with no distraction, no indicators either. You don't need them. And then of course here, this is indication. If you would like to take a look at the shorts, I've been trying to build up this little area here if you want to do that. All right, so they ran away from that high. They ran away from that high. Let's take a look at that chart with all of that ranges on there. So last night, uh, that was that bottom. Okay, that was that bottom. Then I came back in that post and said, hey, I doubt that they can get past those sellers that's sitting up there at that 29, 319.75. And of course, in that video this morning, they took off from the range. All right, and they kind of ran up. All right, so now let's get this out the way. Those sellers are up there. Got to see if they can get past them. That's all. I got to see if they can get past them. I'm gonna be honest, they don't look good, but we got to see. We got to see. And it's really important that you just keep that in mind. You just got to see, can you get past them? And this is what we're doing currently. Again, all of this information, you should know what I'm showing you. I've been showing it in videos. Again, just making everybody aware of what we have. But blue bars are important. Pink bars continuation. And should they flip the market, the yellow ones can flip it too. Now I do have you know that, but once you see the pink, it should go a bit more, I would think. And those are the levels, the lighter green levels from the histogram that I made. So whenever it's a breakout available, they shouldn't touch them. That's most important. Like, they shouldn't touch them, and they're plotted ahead of price once it shows up. So you get the level. It plots itself ahead of price. So if it begins to move in that direction, you'll know, hey, they need not break this level, and they need to turn around. And that's important. Once they break them, it's a breakout mode. That's all. It's breakout. Hey man, we're going this way. All right. Really simple stuff. You don't need all of these indications. I want to make sure I say that to you. You do not need none of this stuff. All right. I don't need it. You don't need it. I'll make sure that you know that. I try to teach that on futures trading, how to look at the chart with absolutely nothing on it and know where the market is going. It's always telling you that, because whenever you have a thought, you have the end in mind. Blue bar on the top. Let's see if they can push higher. Let's see. See, can they get up there a bit more? I think they'll walk some of it back just a little bit. They're at the center of the range. I hope you caught that. If not, rewind the video. Rewind the video. All right. Well, I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.